Hello everybody, welcome to today's assembly. It's really great to be here with you, and it's great to have the opportunity to share our word of the week all the way to you in your homes. We're going to start by saying our school prayer together, so pop those hands together and make the sign of the cross. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
This is our school. May peace be found here. May the rooms be full of happiness. Let love dwell here. Love for one another, love for life itself, and the love of God. Let us remember that as many hands are needed to build a house, so many hearts are needed to build a school. Amen.
Okay, so today I'm here to share with you what our word of the week is this week. And our word of the week this week is witness. And to be a witness involves two different things. The first thing it involves is when you see something that happens and you remember it because it was important to you. You are a witness to it, you see it. The second way of thinking about witnessing is when you tell others about what you have seen that was important. The first disciples were witnesses to the resurrection and to Jesus' ascension. But we too can also be witnesses to Christ when we recognise Him at work in the world around us. My question for you, Blessed Robert, is how will you tell others what you've seen so that the good news continues to be heard? So that is your mission, BRW, to tell others the good things that you have seen and share that good news. Celebrate it, shout it from the rooftops, revel in it. I think you can definitely do it. Now, I think it might be time for the bit you've all been waiting for. It is time to share your good news now of what you have achieved in the last week. So I think we'll get on with that now. It was great to see you all, Blessed Robert. See you all soon. Stay safe. Bye-bye.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time.